Indus River flows through Balochistan and Gilgit and emerges from the mountain near Attock. Where does Indus emerge from mountains? So at Attock, Indus River emerges from the mountain. Through which regions it flow? To Balochistan and Gilgit. The Satluj, the Beach, the Ravi, the Chenab and the Jhelum join together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. It means when Indus River emerges from the mountain at Attock, then its tributaries like the Satluj, the Beach, the Ravi, the Chenab and the Jhelum join together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. Beyond this, the Indus flows southwards. It means beyond the Mithankot, the Indus River flows southwards and reaches or drains to the Arabian Sea, east to Karachi. The Indus Plain has a very gentle slope. With the total length of the Indus River, the river is 2,900 kilometers. The total length of the Indus River is 2,900 kilometers. The Indus is one of the longest rivers of the world. That's why the Indus River is one of the longest rivers in the world. A little over a third of the Indus basin is located in India. It means 1/3 Indus River basin lies in India and 2/3 Indus River basin lies in Pakistan, went on Pakistan after partition. That's why sometimes a question is asked that which is the longest river system of India. Dear students, often students confuse here because the 1/3 Indus River basin lies in India and 2/3 lies in Pakistan. But its answer should be the Indus River is the longest river of Indian river system. Because after partition, it went into Pakistan. But since then, the river Indus is also a river system of India. Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab are drained. Punjab regions are drained by the Indus River system. Indus River. Dear students, according to the regulation of the Indus Water Treaty 1960, at present this treaty has been made politicalized, while according to the Indus Water Treaty 1960 between India and Pakistan, India can use only 20% of total volume of Indus River. Carried by the Indus River system. This water, for what purposes India can use this water? So, India can use for irrigation in Punjab, Haryana and the southern and the western parts of Rajasthan only. India cannot use this water, Indus water, for another purposes according to the Indus Water Treaty 1960. In next class, students, we will discuss about the Ganga river system, where we discuss in details about the holy river Ganga. Thank you.